Hello, welcome to the Ocean County Library's Sunset Watercolor Instructional Program. Today we will use watercolors to create a beautiful sunset in celebration of New Jersey Makers Day. By blending different watercolors, we can create a fantastic background, in this case, corresponding to a sunset. This demonstration will be useful to OCL patrons as future Take and Make programs will incorporate the use of watercolor and paper craft, starting with a craft on March 25th for Read Tolkien Day and Earth Day on April 22nd. Two examples are shown here. Thank you for joining and welcome to the program. Let's begin. Before we start, let's describe the materials necessary to create a watercolor sunset. First, water-based markers will be used to provide the color to our background. Watercolor paper or white cardstock paper will serve as this background. Water and a few paintbrushes are also needed. For this demonstration, I'll be using water-based markers and a wet brush to blend the colors together. With your final design in mind, you will select your colors. Cool and warm colors pair well with other cool and warm colors respectively. Try not to include heavily contrasting colors initially. A gradual shift in color is better than a sharp shift in most instances. Before using any colors on your paper, it is best to select your range of colors by selecting typically about 3 to 4 tones. Watch now as I begin the process to create a sunset background with water-based markers. To best prepare the paper, tape it down to your tabletop surface. This will help prevent the material from bending when it becomes wet with the water. After securing the paper down, you'll be ready to add your color. When first applying the marker on the background, try to use light pressure. Too much pressure can make blending more difficult as the colors are heavily saturated onto the paper. It is also recommended to apply the marker where darker tones would fit. This means areas of shadows are closer to the other darker colors before blending the next tone together. As this is where the marker first contacts the paper, this area will hold the darker color compared to other areas beyond the first point of contact. You can apply the marker in various ways. Personally, I prefer to use a zigzag motion in this context. After you use the marker on the paper, you'll need to quickly blend the color by using the wet brush. Try moving the color towards the lighter area of the background. You're essentially spreading the color from the original point of contact into the next area. Repeat this process with your next color. After applying the next color, make sure to blend the new color and the existing background color. A stark contrast may not always look attractive, but don't worry, you can always blend colors to smooth transitions. As you progress with different colors, remember to keep blending with the existing colors. A smooth transition will often look best. To help achieve this result, I recommend starting the new color towards the last third of your previous color. This will allow for the desired gradual shift. Thank you for watching this instructional video for New Jersey Makers Day. We hope you learned how to use watercolors to create a beautiful sunset. As this skill will be used in upcoming Take and Make kits, we're excited for you to expand your artistic skill set with each unique kit. Thank you again for coming and watching this video. Enjoy your making and have a great day.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.